Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be doing my first month ahead savings cash stuffing with this beautiful book that I got from Savings with Tracy. But before we do that, I do have some Happy Mail to go through with y'all. So I got a few things for my yearly binder that I'm going to be working on. So this first one is from Liz and Les. We have this one that I'm going to be using to save for car stuff. So that'll be cute. It's a little sticker challenge. And then I also got a Christmas card. So Christmas Joy. And it says, may the wonder of Christmas always live in our hearts. Hope you have a good Christmas, New Year's, and a lot more. And then we have some little scratch off like challenges here with these little heart scratch off stickers. Those are cute. And then these ones are a little bit bigger. Thank you 2025. So these are cute. I'm going to add these to my scratch off binder here. And then this little card, this looks like a little bookmark. So thank you, Kimberly. So sweet of you to send this to me. Okay, next I have this from Business Mama Budgets. I'm a part of her membership, so this is her January member mail. Ooh, I love this paper. Thank you for being a Ko-fi member. Oh, this is a little bag. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, there we go. I thought I felt something else in there. Cute little paper clip. We have this tiny challenge with this bird and this cat. That's adorable. This mini roll and save featuring the cat again. That's cute. I love these colors. So pretty. And then a squirrel and a bunny, it looks like. Adorable. Save 30. Perfect. Look at the back. So cute. Thank you, Lindsay. All right, my last piece of Happy Mail here is from Cash Flow Budgets on Etsy. So Cash Flow Budgets on Etsy, Instagram, and TikTok. And this is, this is what I ordered. Did I actually order this? I can't remember if I ordered this or if this is a freebie. It looks like something I would order, but I know I was looking for like medical stuff, so I'll have to go back and check. But we have this medical fund saver. I know I definitely ordered this. So you scratch and you save whatever amounts are listed here, and it comes with a little dashboard for your envelope. So we'll add that to my yearly binder. That's where I'm going to put that. And then I have this one as well. I'm Just a Girl Savings, and I honestly can't remember if I ordered this or if she just sent it to me. I'm not sure. But either way, it's so cute. I love it. Because I would definitely order this myself. So maybe I was just like late at night and just like adding stuff to my cart. But so cute. Go check out this shop. Lots of cute things there for y'all to check out. That is it for Happy Mail. So let's go ahead and get into this cash stuffing. So we have, is it $30 or $27? I can't remember. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so $30. And we have rent payment. I need to set this up, so you guys are going to come with me for that journey. We have rent payment, miscellaneous, subscriptions, internet, cell phone bill, gym budget, gas, electricity, grocery, and that's it. Okay, so I'm not sure. I need to go like figure out what I need each month. Let's see. Well, I guess I can figure some of them out now. Some of them I'm not sure off the top of my head what I need each month, but I know rent is $1,700. 2, 3, 4, 5. So each house here is going to be $56. Or $57. All right, so the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna add $3 to each category for now. 1, 2, 3. And I might rearrange this later, just because I kind of want to do it, I think, in order of least to greatest amount. All right, miscellaneous budget. I know like I had planned on having specific things in here, so I'll need to go back again and like look and see what I was actually planning, but all right, subscriptions. I don't remember what the total is that I needed. So we're just gonna put $3. We're gonna put $3 in every envelope. And then as we finish the lower amounts that we need to save, we're gonna move the $3 over to the next category. All right, internet is one of my lower ones. I just need $50. That's my internet bill for the month. So 50 divided by, oh, each thing is 2. All right, so we have okay, so we're adding 3. So we can color in 1.5. Okay. All right, cell phone bill. My total for the month that I need is about $40. So 40 divided by 12 is, okay, 3. We're gonna round up. No, let's just make it 3. It's imperfect. I don't know, guys. We'll figure it out. I might change some stuff around if I feel like I need to. All right, so each one is 3, so we can color in 1. All right. My next one is my gym budget. Let me figure out what I need. All right, so I do pay for a personal trainer, so I need roughly $380 a month. Okay, we have, although I guess if I were to lose my job, would I pay for my personal trainer? I don't know. Probably not. But anyways, this is to help us like continue the life as we know it, I guess, is the whole goal. Anyways, let's just save for it because we can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16. Okay, so 380 divided by 20. Each of these is 19. Okay, so we have $3 in there. Gas needs $100 a month. So each of these is going to be 20. Wait. No. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so tired still. Okay. Each of these is going to be 5. Shoot. I can't erase that. All right. Anyways, I'm going to fix that later. Each of these is going to be 5. So we're adding $3 today. That's it. All right, next, electricity. I'm gonna plan on 100. Sometimes it's more and sometimes it's less. It just depends. So each of these is gonna be $5 as well. And then groceries, we're gonna do 400. So 400 divided by 35. Each of these will be 11. All right, and then we have $3 left over, so let's do towards rent, since that's our biggest category. It'll take us the longest to save up for that. And I don't even remember what our miscellaneous budget is or our subscription, so I'm going to have to look that up. But let's go through and put what we added for each category. So today is, what is today? The 19th. So we have $6 in there. Subscriptions. Internet has 3. Phone bill has 3. Gym has 3. Everything has 3. Okay, and that is that, y'all. So we will be doing this every Monday. I'm excited because I really have been wanting to save up for a month ahead in case we run into any emergency situations and want to be prepared for that. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great Monday, a great week. If you are off today, enjoy your day off. And I will see y'all tomorrow for Tiny Tuesday and our pen pal binder. Bye.